We've added the functionality when I go into my bids um, to be able to add work order notes directly to your work order items. So if I have my items here, you can see that I have these 3 asphalt overlays. They're very similar and I've cloned them, but they each have their own specific work orders that differentiate them. And so it's difficult to know which is which. You can now come in here directly and you can label each one of these. So you can say lot 1, you can say back parking lot, and other items. Just make sure that you click this checkbox to save those work order items. So now it's nice and easy when you're going through and you're creating your bid items to be able to see what the description is. And these work order notes will show up if I go into that work order item. They can show up here, so I can also enter them here. Lot 1, make sure to sweep beforehand and after. Okay, and if I save that, I come back and you can see that those work order notes have flowed through to here.